Houston, we have a problem. I got the tractor a little stuck here. It's pretty stuck. I'm sure that if the mower wasn't in the dirt as bad as it is, probably could drive out, but it sunk down faster than I thought it was going to. So I mowed. This is the farthest I was able to mow like a month ago. Actually 2 months ago, I think. And it was really, really dry. It's not so dry now. But I think it was also a problem because I was in the same rut. If I wasn't in the same rut, I don't know what I was thinking. But Dad's going to come save me with another tractor and some chains. So, yeah, we'll get her out. Luckily, like sometimes this is like wet. Like this is standing water during the winter. So, it's not that though. We'll get her. Here comes my rescuer. I don't know if he sees me yet. You can't see the tractor at all. Told him where I was though. He still doesn't see me. Okay, I gotta get higher. Well, we had to unhook the mower, so we're gonna take it somewhere drier. It's pretty stuck here. We pulled on it a couple times. I'm now stuck more. So hopefully without the mower though, it should come right out. Right? Right out. Well, it's kind of the front. Pretty deep. As deep as you can be because we were sitting on the rear end. But we got her. Only took 2 tractors. Jubaliee just wouldn't do it. Wouldn't stay down on the ground.